My daily routine. My name is Rosie. I am 21 years old. I follow a routine that helps me stay organized and productive. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth and wash my face to feel fresh, then I spend a few minutes doing some light stretches to get my body moving. Then I have a quick breakfast like cereal or toast with a cup of tea or juice. After that, I get dressed for college and make sure I have all my essentials packed. At college, I study different subjects like math, science, and English. I engage in my studies. I pay attention in class. During break time I enjoy the canteen's offerings with my friends. We talk, share stories, and have fun together. After all classes are done, I come back home. After coming home, I take a short rest to relax by watching TV or reading storybooks. Then, I do my homework and assignments. If I have extra time, I like to pursue my hobbies, such as drawing, or playing a musical instrument. In the evening I help my mom in cooking dinner. My family and I gather around the dining table, and we share stories from our day while enjoying a wholesome meal. After dinner, I clean the dishes. Finally, it's time to get ready for bed. I take shower and put on my comfortable pajamas. I like to read a bedtime story before I go to sleep. This helps me relax and drift off into a peaceful slumber. I turn off the lights and close my eyes. I think about good things and slowly fall asleep. My everyday routine might seem simple, but it helps me stay organized.